I have an urge to create fizzy water, and a greater urge to tell you how. First, I will check that my Sodastream has its CO2 tank inside. It does. Now I will make sure the little drip tray is in place. I will fill my bottle with water from my Brita. Filling to the line indicated, which saves me from otherwise not knowing how much I should put in. Now I tighten it to the Sodastream with a few good twists. 5 pushes, pressing all the way down and counting 2 steamboats per push. Now I twist it back off. Ah, what a nice sound. Now I will put it on ice until it is nice and cold, rotating ever so often. It is ready, so now I will drink the fizzy water. It's good.